Alright, so in this section, let us see how to set up Python and Selenium in our system, okay, to start working with them. So first things first, you have to get Python in your machine before you start working on any other thing. So how to install Python? So python.org is the official website where you can go and download the Python, or you can just Google Python download, which will also take you to the same link. You see that python.org. So in their official website, you can directly download whatever version you see here, or there are different release versions you have. You can, if you are specific in getting any specific version, you can choose that. But if you just want the latest, no matter what, just hit on this download button and that will download python.exe file in your system. Okay, it's simple. One click and exe file will be in your system. So thereafter, you need to select that and you have to follow some set of instructions. This website is intelligent that if you are seeing this in Mac, then you will have Mac related file. So don't worry, as it is in Windows, so it rerouted me to latest version for Windows. Okay, if you don't see that, you can simply select different OS, Mac OS X, and that will take you to the page where you can download. You see that this is for Mac. Right, so once you download, and you need to open that exe file, and that will guide you through instructions for setting up Python in your system. So right now I already have Python in my system. It's in this path already, so I don't want to continue this, but you can just select next, that's all. There is no specific signs in this. Just continue and it will get installed. But when you just click on next every time, make sure that you capture which path your Python is getting located. Okay, when it gets downloaded, you should know in what path in your system the Python folder is present. In general, in most of times, Python path will be here. Users, your name, app data, local, programs, and there your Python folder will be there. But for just time being thing, when you click on next, make sure you see the path, so that tomorrow if you don't see in this path as well, you should not get panic that if you already have a note on the which path this is getting installed. Okay, so once you complete next and then this process will be completed and you can go to the path where this Python got installed. Okay, so once you do that, you have to go to your directory first. By default, you will not see the app data because that is hidden. So make sure you select this, and here local, and go to programs, Python. So here is where your all Python versions will be installed. So I have two different versions of Python, so that's why I'm seeing two different folders here. So this is the one which is latest. So here is where you can go and see all the files related to Python. That's it. It's very simple. One click download and just complete the installation process by accepting the agreements and click on next. You will see the folder like this and we are good. Come back to our document. Now, after Python is successfully installed and you confirm that it's present, you need to set Python home in system variables. That is important. You have to tell to your system where exactly Python is located. Okay, so copy this path. So come to the location where all these files are present, especially this python.exe. Okay, and capture this path. Open your system environment variables, edit system environment variables. And here path, edit this. Okay, and give the path of your Python home. You see that how I have given? To give the new path, you can click on here and simply pass the path like this. I already have, so I am not adding that. This is the one, and you have to give another path also. So come to the scripts folder and you need to give this path as well. I will shortly tell you why do you need to give this path, because there is a pip file present here. Right now you don't know what is this file, but capture this path as well and place it in your system. Yeah, here. But I already have it in my first place. So I have successfully set up two system variable paths belonging to Python, and that's it. Click on OK and you are good. So your Python is now known by your system. So to check if you have done everything successfully or not, open command prompt. So after you set path, you need to freshly open command prompt. Existing command prompt will not have knowledge of what you have updated. So close all of them and open command prompt again and say Python -- version. So that should give you that Python is successfully installed or not. You can see that. Check if Python is successfully installed. So if you see the word Python, that means you are good. You have successfully set your system variable path as well. If you don't set your system variable path, then this will throw an error here that Python is not recognized as internal or external command. So that's about installing Python and making sure it is successfully installed in our machines. Okay. In the next lecture, let's talk about what is pip and how come it plays a crucial role in installing Python packages. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.